Hi guys, it's Shriya here and welcome back to my channel, My Perfume Diaries. In today's video, I am going to talk about product empties. I have a lot of body care, skin care and hair care products to share with you guys. There is no makeup and no perfumes in today's video, only body care, hair care and skin care. So if you are not aware of the concept of product empties, basically this is the kind of video where I will share all the products that I have completely finished, and I will tell you how my experience was with these products, whether I like it, I hate it, or it's a maybe. So whether I will be repurchasing these products or I will be saying bye-bye to these products and I will never buy them. So more or less like a buy or a bye-bye kind of a video. So I hope that you get to know mini reviews of all of these products and helps you decide whether you should buy this or just save your money. So let's begin with the video. Before we do so, make sure कि आपने मेरे channel पे subscribe कर लिया है, you hit the bell notification and you follow me on Instagram. And now let's get started. Being a little organized here, I'm going to start off with some hair care products and then we'll move our way to body care and skin care. So for hair care, the first product that I have is from Maintain. Now Maintain का ये volume gel है which controls like fizz and it's a medium old gel. And Maintain products का जो कंडीशनर है, डीप कंडीशनर है, जेल एंड लीव इन, दीज फोर आर वन ऑफ माई फेवरेट हेयर केयर प्रोडक्ट्स टू यूज़. उनका शैम्पू मुझे उतना नहीं सूट हुआ, सो दैट्स वाई स्पेसिफिकली मेंशन दैट ओनली दीज फोर products have worked out for me. I absolutely love this one. This is probably my third repurchase actually. And definitely once the other two gels that I'm using gets exhausted, I'm going back to this one. But it does not make my hair very crunchy and tight. It holds the curls well without making that crunchiness. So really love it and it's a definite repurchase for me. Next are two products from the L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss range. Now this is the conditioner which I've already repurchased by the way, and this is the Gloss Extension Serum. This also I have already repurchased. Now L'Oreal had a lot of campaign going on for this complete range and there were people talking only and only good things about it. And everyone thought that this is like over advertised and over marketing and maybe the product is not good, but that's not true. I purchased these products only because I thought कि ज़्यादा marketing हो रही है, अब मुझे पता करना है कि इसमें ऐसा क्या है. So that Kida of finding out whether this is actually a good product or not, I purchased the whole range. I kid you not, I've enjoyed this so much, and then I felt कि इतना marketing का need क्यों था? This is such a good product. So I have already repurchased both of these. The shampoo is mediocre. It's not something that I need and I love and I want kind of a situation. I can do without it also. Other shampoos also work equally well. But the conditioner, the acid spray and this one, the serum, these three I really enjoyed. Again, the acid spray that they have introduced which needs to be put on the conditioner, the packaging I hate. Okay, I just open it and I use the product. I love the product inside, but I don't like the packaging. So I'm very particular about that. But that is also probably going to be a repurchase. So since I'm buying like the conditioner serum from the same range, it's kind of a good habit to go with the shampoo also. So I can comfortably say that this complete range, L'Oreal Glycolic Gloss, I think I love it. Like this is one of the best hair care ranges that L'Oreal has come up with. I also love that hyaluronic range that they have. That is also, it suits my curls really well. So I love L'Oreal products. Okay, so yeah, I think despite the marketing and all the negative publicity also, this is a must-have for me. A total paisa vasool and is worth every penny. A definite repurchase. Then the next product is from Pilgrim and this one is Amazonian Beauty Secrets Patua and Keratin Smoothing Conditioner for Dry and Frizzy Hair. That is like such a big name, but this conditioner did not do well on my curls. Like I did not get the right amount of slip. I did not get the right amount of slip to like detangle and make it frizz free. It was very difficult for me to finish this whole bottle. Usually conditioners मैं ऐसे खत्म कर लेती हूँ because my hair is very curly. I need more conditioner also for styling. So it's easy, it's the easiest product for me to finish, and I found it difficult to finish this one. So definitely not going to repurchase it. And I think it's just that the formula did not work out for me. Was a little thicker, like the formula was a little thicker. I think that's the reason that it did not work for me. Then one more tub from Maintain. I just told you that Maintain products work really well for me. This is the Ultimate Moisture Therapy and this is how this tub looks like. So this is like a hair mask, works like a charm. It made my hair super soft and nice. I literally finished this in a month because I was using it every week. I loved the results that I got out of it, and this is one of the fastest masks that I have finished personally. शिद्दत से यूज किया, बहुत used every ounce of this product. Complete पैसा वसूल, a total game changer in terms of curly hair. Definite repurchase. Then another L'Oreal product, and this is also a hair mask, and this is Absolute Repair Protein Omega 9 hair mask. This is how it looks like. There were so many people who were talking about it. ये भी मैंने completely finish किया है, but मुझे ये उतना पसंद नहीं आया. L'Oreal के products मैंने बोला आपको कि usually मुझे बहुत पसंद है and they suit my hair type, but this one did not. Okay, not every product is for everyone. This mask is not for me. It did not work for me. इसका शैम्पू भी मुझे पसंद नहीं आया. शैम्पू एंड कंडीशनर दोनों ही मेरे लिए was a no and did not work for me. Will not repurchase. तो शैम्पू की बात आई गई है, तो ये उसका शैम्पू है and like I said did not work for me. इसका तो मुझे स्मेल भी उतना पसंद नहीं आ रहा था, मतलब बहुत ही अजीब सा सिट्रसी स्मेल है इसका. Did not feel nice about it, you know, like शैम्पू में कैसे वो क्लीन फ्रेश वाइब होता है ना, वो इसमें नहीं था. तो I did not like the scent of it. I did not like the formula of it. Like क्लीन कर रहा था मेरे हेयर, बट नथिंग एक्सेप्शनल फॉर द प्राइस पॉइंट, यू नो. नेक्स्ट वन इज फ्रॉम प्लम. दिस इज हेयर सीरम एंड दिस इज हिबिस्कस एंड सेरामाइड्स स्मूथनिंग हेयर सीरम. आई लव दिस प्रोडक्ट. ओके, खुशी खुशी यूज करके खत्म किया है. लव द फ्रेग्रेंस. इट हैज अ वेरी नाइस फ्रूटी फ्रेश फ्रेग्रेंस एंड again gives a very nice clean girl vibe to it. And formula is great. It helps, you know, reducing the frizziness and kind of like smoothens my curls. So sometimes जब मैं मेरा स्प्रेयर बॉटल है पानी का, मैं उसमें भी इसके 2-3 ड्रॉप्स डाल देती थी, तो उससे भी थोड़ा असर होता था. I really love this serum overall and it's a definite repurchase. You must be thinking कि L'Oreal के सीरम और इसमें क्या डिफरेंस है. तो प्लम वाला जो सीरम है ये थोड़ा ऑयल बेस्ड है और जो L'Oreal वाला सीरम है वो थोड़ा सा वाटर बेस्ड है. तो ये डिफरेंस है दोनों में. एंड ऑनेस्टली द कर्ल्स आर सो थर्स्टी ऑल द टाइम. लाइक माई कर्ल्स नीड मॉइस्चर ऑल द टाइम. सो फॉर मी हैविंग बोथ is not a redundant product, you know. One is water based, one is oil based. I need both of them for my hair. Okay, moving on to one more shampoo which was given by my dermatologist, and this is called as Salicia KT. This is how the shampoo looks like, and Salicia KT is basically meant for your dandruff. Like if you have flaky scalp and dandruff, you have to use this weekly once and it takes care of all the gunk on your head. I love this product. It works really well. However, it's given by Dermat, so I wouldn't say use it directly. But just wanted to let you know that I am using something, you know, medical, something given by my Dermat for my scalp to be squeaky clean. I think I'm pretty much done with hair care products. Let's move on to body care. Now, the first product that I have is from M Caffeine, and this one is called as M Caffeine Guava Teeny Detan Body Wash, and this kind of has like 6% of brightening actives. Now, it did not do anything on my tanning. Okay, my tanning is very shameless and takes a long time and lot of mehnat to get rid of. So I will say this did not do anything on my tanning part. As a shower gel, gosh, I loved using this one. Has a very nice crisp fruity guava like fragrance to it, mixing up with some fruits. Very refreshing, and you know those small gritty particles, they work really well on like cleansing the body well, and nice foaming formula. So overall I felt squeaky clean after using it, and the overall shower experience was luxe. It felt like a good spa. So I love it and I definitely want to repurchase it. I have one more body wash that I have completely finished. This is Bella Vita Oud. This is from their luxury collection. Now I am somebody who is a sucker for oud fragrances, especially during rainy and winter season. I just gravitate directly. Like it's just that my brain cells are kind of aligned कि ये season आ गया तो अब मुझे यही पसंद आएगा. So I wanted to kind of like, you know, make a routine where I am kind of layering the right way, and I thought that this is oud fragrance, so it will do really well with my oud based fragrances. But I think I was wrong. I just could not get myself to using this shower gel. Every time I used it, I felt that it's just too woody to be in the shower, you know. Like I don't want to feel like I'm standing in the forest and taking like a shower through natural rain. मुझे उतना natural experience भी नहीं चाहिए, you know. This felt like that and I wasn't up for it, so my plan failed. Basically I thought that it will go well in layering, but it did not go well in layering. I think it is better for men to use this rather than women using it. I don't know, it's my preference. Like, I did not like such woody fragrance in the shower, okay, so maybe it's just me. For me, that was a deal breaker. Otherwise, the charger was good quality. It also made my skin squeaky clean, but the experience of my bath was not good. And that is something that I don't like compromising. So not going to repurchase it. One more shower gel. This is by Biotique. This is Morning Nectar. This is a very basic shower gel, but a nice fragrance and a soothing and a calming kind of a body wash. This is actually a repurchase. I don't even remember how many times I've repurchased it, so not going to go very deep into it. This is a maybe kind of a product. It depends on my mood. Sometimes I just want to use this, then I'll go and kind of like blink it, and otherwise it's okay. So it's kind of like a regular product for me, you know, nothing special about it. So yeah, maybe buy. Then I have a body oil in the variant Shea from Plum Body Loving, and the fragrance on this one is very vanillic cake like, which I absolutely enjoyed. What I did not enjoy was the consistency. Now, body oils I love only if they are non-sticky. Okay, if a body oil feels like a layer on top of my skin and I can, you know, I can sense that chipkuness on my skin, I do not like that feeling, and that is exactly what I was getting with this one. That thickness in the oil does not work for me in the body oil category. So did not love the consistency of the oil. Had it been a little lighter, a little breathable, I would have loved it and I would have repurchased it. But प्लम बॉडी लविंग के बॉडी ऑयल्स का फॉर्मूला ओवरऑल मुझे नहीं जम रहा, सो आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू परचेज द बॉडी ऑयल्स फ्रॉम प्लम, but I am open to be exploring other body oils because with body oils the perfume sticks really well, you know. So जैसे ही वो feel होने लगता है ना something heavy is sitting on the skin, I just cannot, you know, I just cannot. So this is not a repurchase for me. So the next product that I want to talk about is from Dove, and this is Shower Mousse with argan oil, and I was literally using this only when I wanted to use razor, or I've been literally more than 6 months this product has lasted for me because it has just a lot of products. So on days when you want to shave, this product comes very handy, but after using it for 6 months, I thought I can do really well without it. Just want to reduce the number of products that I'm using, so this is not a repurchase for me. But if you are very regular in your shaving routine, you may want to incorporate this in your routine. One of my cult favorites is from Dove, and this is Dove deodorant dry serum with niacinamide, and this is how the product looks like. It's a squeezy tube which is like kind of like a moisturizer or a cream that you can apply it on your underarms. This makes me odor free for 12 plus hours, and even if I'm on days that I have forgotten to use perfume oil or perfumes, especially when I'm at home and there's no need for me to apply those, this is enough. It does not have a prominent scent of its own. It's a very light scent, just apply and forget kind of something, and it just keeps me odor free throughout the day, you know. So this is my 6th or 7th repurchase now, and I'm currently using one and I will reorder. So this is a definite repurchase for me. Oh, I forgot one product from hair care products. So this one is from Orga, and this is Orga Tree Hair Growth Oil, and I have been religiously using a hair growth oil to see if there is some difference, especially because I started getting some bald patches on my head, got a little concerned and started using it, and I did see some baby hair coming in. So I think it's kind of working. I want to continue using hair growth oil, so definitely will be repurchasing this one. Back to body care. This is not exactly body care, but I just wanted to include it in here. This is Perfect in Pink. This is by Bath and Body Works, and this is a hand wash, and this is a foaming hand wash. And what I usually do is I purchase around 5 to 6 hand washes from Bath and Body Works per year during their sale time. I stock it up for the entire year, and I'm sorted that way. And this one bottle of hand soap lasts me for around 2 months. So that way I find it to be very economical, because 6 hand soaps, 12 months, so do the math, and this is sufficient for me. And then I just kind of like repurchase different variants of hand washes the next year. So I keep trying new variants. It has a nice almondy, nutty, sweet fragrance to it. Really enjoyed it. cleanses really well, very gentle on the hands and does not strip off my natural oil on the hand. So, and it's a must have for me and it's a repurchase for me. Let's move on to skincare now. The first one is a face scrub with menthol and salicylic acid, which is called as Seize the Day, and the brand is Bisac. Now Bisac Wellness has some amazing body care and skincare products, and they are not marketing them as well as they should, because I think the quality is top notch. I've really enjoyed using this product and this makes my face squeaky clean, so I would not mind repurchasing it. I love this face scrub and I love using it, especially the menthol in that gives me a very nice refreshing minty feel. So I love that, and it kind of like refreshes and rejuvenates my skin. I want a definite repurchase for me. The next product is from Leaf Monk, and this one is their Ayurvedic Roots face cleanser with turmeric and gotukula and aloe vera. A very gentle face wash for those who have normal to dry skin. Does really well. It's very calming, cleanses the face well without stripping the oil. Simple cleanser which has good qualities in it and does not make my skin very dry. So a nice gel based formula and a very good packaging, so it's a definite repurchase for me. Another good product from Orga Tray, this is called as Vitamin C Foaming Face Wash. I enjoyed using this one a lot, but I just did not enjoy using this applicator because I don't know, I just did not feel very hygienic to kind of use it, because sometimes I had breakouts. So this part I did not like, but just taking out the foam and using it with my hands was something that I liked. So this could be a repurchase candidate, but I'm still on the maybe section on this one. The formula is great, works really well, but it's just that the packaging is not very good for me. Then I have a sunscreen from Plum. This is niacinamide hybrid sunscreen, and this is with SPF 50 PA++. I think I got breakouts because of this and I immediately stopped using it. The formula is so good. It's kind of like watery gel based formula and just absorbs in the skin in a jiffy. But this, I used it for 2 days. I started seeing new acne popping up and I immediately stopped using it. I was using some other products also as well, so I don't know if it was like a combined reaction or what, but the moment it happened I stopped using it and I immediately used it on my hands later to kind of finish this product so that it doesn't go waste. So I wouldn't be repurchasing this one at all, but it's just that it could be my skin that reacted to it. Then gosh, I have the next product with you which I have clearly loved and finished. This one is Azicam by Conscious Chemist. Just look at the state of this here. You see how much I've used it. This has 10% azelaic acid. It is a redness relief gel cream and it kind of helps in recovering and repair. I needed this because I need all the repair and recovery from the damages that I've been going through and my skin is going through. I've been into a lot of stress lately. Work-wise, personal life, everything is haywire, and so is my skin showing up that way. And this has really helped in calming my skin down. It has done nothing for my acne, okay? It's just that it helps in reducing the redness of the acne. That's it. So anything that is helping is a good product for me. So I'm likely to repurchase this one. Now, similarly, one more product from Conscious Chemist on the same lines. This is called as Trubium Pigmentation Cream and Corrector Cream, not Pigmentation Corrector Cream, okay? It does not give you more pigmentation. It reduces, it corrects it. So this helps in reducing the hyperpigmentation, which I definitely needed because of all the acne marks and the struggles that I have on my skin. So this one has niacinamide, tranexamic acid, which I don't know what it does, kojic acid and azelaic acid, and it is meant for all skin types. Does really well on acne marks, okay? But you have to be very consistent. If you're not consistent, you're not going to get results. I was consistent, got mediocre results. Even if little bit it helps in reducing the acne marks, I will repurchase it, okay? So I'm going to repurchase this. Then I have this very small Pond's Bright Cream. Iska mere paas bada tub bhi rakha hua hai, which I was using and I liked it. Kind of like a creamy gel texture that gets absorbed in my skin really well. थोड़ा सा बच्चा भी हुआ है. इसमें बस एक ही problem है, इसकी fragrance बहुत strong. If that tub finishes, I may not repurchase it again, okay? Then next one is Garnier Bright Complete Vitamin C Serum Gel. I loved this product so much and I am definitely going to repurchase it. I love anything that is gel based because it feels that it will not clog my pores. However, I should focus on non-comedogenic tag in my products now, which I'm doing. This was really good, and I used to keep it in my refrigerator and then use it on my skin. Super cold, super calming, helps with depuffing things. So really enjoyed both of these actually, but I may not repurchase it. I'm being very conscious of what I'm putting on my face now. Then Mamaearth ka Beetroot Gentle Face Wash. I did not like it. Simple gel-based formula which had lot of foaming thing going on, and it cleanses my skin really well. No complaints about that, but nothing extraordinary for me to repurchase it, so I'm not going to repurchase it. The last product, I'm really tired now, and this is the last product from Forest Essential, and this is the Saundarya Night Cream with 24 karat gold. This is 12 gram. Matra 12 gram ki cream is for a whopping 4,000 rupees, and I purchased it twice. Gosh, I loved this cream. It was working so well on my skin prior to my breakouts. Like the moment my skin started breaking out by some other products and hormonal damages and stress, I stopped using this because I know for sure कि इसकी वजह से तो acne मुझे नहीं हो रहा था. मैं इसके 2 tubs खत्म कर चुकी थी. But I did not wanted to waste this product on my एक्ने प्रोन स्किन तो मैंने सोचा कि मैं इसको ख़त्म करके पॉज करती हूँ यूज़ करना जब तक मेरा एक्ने ठीक नहीं हो जाता, स्किन वापस हील नहीं हो जाती. आई विल नॉट रीपर्चेज दिस वन. आई वाज एक्चुअली लुकिंग फॉर रीजंस टू नॉट रीपर्चेज इट, एंड आई जस्ट मेड अप अ रीजन टू नॉट रीपर्चेज इट सो दैट आई कैन सेव सम मनी. What chindigiri is that? But trust me, this works like magic. It's literally a magic potion in a bottle. If you have the budget for it, you know what, go for it. Like, don't act like what I'm acting. So go for it. It's lovely, love it. But I want to repurchase it. Okay, I will repurchase it probably. So that brings us to the end of the video. I hope that you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you did, hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe, hit the bell notification, follow me on Instagram, and I'm going to see you very soon in my next video. Bye.